Hi, it's Mark again, and I'm going to show you a little snack that my grandmother used to give me when I was a little boy. Uh, it's rather unusual, but it was tasty. And a little kid likes, something simple, but something that tastes good. And it doesn't sound like it's going to taste good, but if you try it, you might like it. Very simple. It's just crackers, saltines, and I use Miracle Whip. A lot of people don't like Miracle Whip. They prefer mayonnaise. I'm not sponsored by them. I just grew up on Miracle Whip and it is my preference. But very simple, very tasty. And sometimes I'll get up like midnight and I have a taste for something. And I'll just come in and do this. Just a little bit of mayonnaise, very thin layer on a cracker. So you can barely tell any's on there. Just enough to get the flavor of it. It's good. Nice, easy little snack. If you want to, put a piece of cheese on it, piece of bologna, ham, whatever you want. But just a saltine with mayonnaise or Miracle Whip is a tasty little treat. Subscribe, make a comment, hit that like button, come back and see me again. Thank you.